The MTN Foundation has handed over 100,000 emalangeni cheque to the UNISWA Foundation as a way of committing itself towards improving the lives of the Swazi Nation. We have a report.
Both the UNISWA and the MTN Foundation committed themselves in changing and shining lives of the Swazi Nation, particularly in the education, the health, the entrepreneurship sectors. The MTN Foundation has consistently invested at least 2 million each year in education, health, and enterprise development. MTN CEO Ambrose Dlamini says, as a foundation, they remain committed in changing lives on matters of education.
The MTN Foundation has in the past supported the establishment of MTN Computer Simulation Lab with equipment worth 1.5 million emalangeni. This strategic investment is a high-end facility that allows students enrolled in engineering courses to undertake computer simulation at the University of Swaziland within the Faculty of Science and Engineering. Excitedly, some of the graduates who have benefited from this investment are currently working for Swazi MTN.
The acting Vice Chancellor, Professor Mgidi Dlamini says, through the support of MTN Foundation, there are many projects that UNISWA has been able to complete.
Several projects have come to fruition. These projects include the MTN Cyber Zone, found within the Faculty of Agriculture, the Hub of African Modern Agriculture, which is known as HAMA, and the Computer Simulation Lab at the Faculty of Science and Engineering. The contributions from MTN Swaziland have made vast improvements to the university's ability to deliver on its mandate of higher education and producing competent graduates for the workforce and entrepreneurship.
For Swazi TV News, I'm Lungilele Makakula with Ganim Sibi in Matapa.